Hi, my name is Jenna Porter, and I am a secondary art educator at Roland Park Elementary Middle School in Baltimore City. I am so grateful that you are using these resources to bring arts integration into your classroom. Arts integration provides multiple ways for students to make sense of what they learn and make their learning visible. The Baltimore Arts Integration Project has created amazing resources for you to use in your classroom to give students many different ways to show their understanding through the arts.
Hello all, I am Allisun Thompson. I work in the middle school with Jenna and facilitate the study of ancient Eastern cultures and geography. Arts integration has always been a part of my teaching philosophy because I was an art major in undergrad before I became a history nerd. Let's be honest, most students come into our classroom already bored. They think it's all dates and names, and it can be, but through my study of brain-targeted teaching and arts integration, my classroom has evolved into the cool history classroom. The lighting and seating is chill, and artifacts are represented on the shelves and walls. Students come to me for art supplies all the time. Sorry, Jenna. I think I'm just closer. My goal in all of this is to help you feel comfortable in leading an arts integration lesson. Jenna and I have created a unit overlay based on the 5 themes of geography, which we as history teachers refer to time and time again throughout the year. This will give them an artifact to use for studying, as well as relate back to Baltimore and make it relevant to our students. So let's dive in.